Every Lux soap bar begins far from the factory floor. Tons of raw coconuts travel daily toward modern processing lines. The transformation starts the moment raw materials cross the factory gates. Before refination, every coconut must pass industrial inspection. Only selected raw material continues deeper into production. Industrial cleaning removes every trace of the harvest. Precision machines prepare the core ingredient for extraction. The factory breaks raw coconut into process-ready material. Heat and pressure begin unlocking the oils hidden inside. From harvested coconuts, the journey now enters full-scale manufacturing. Inside the factory, raw oils enter a world of controlled precision. Every batch is stabilized before purification begins. Refinement ensures consistency for millions of soap bars. Specialized formulas shape the texture and identity of the soap. Industrial blending transforms raw oils into the foundation of Lux soap. Temperature and pressure control determine the final quality. The liquid base slowly becomes solid production material. Precision cutting prepares the material for final refinement. Milling removes imperfections and creates the soap's signature texture. Now the refined material enters the heart of mass production. The factory now shapes refined soap into continuous production streams. Every movement is timed for absolute production precision. Brand identity is pressed into every bar at industrial speed. Finishing systems refine each bar into a uniform product. Automation checks every bar before final enhancement. The recognizable Lux fragrance is locked into every bar. Controlled cooling stabilizes the final soap structure. Every bar is positioned with millimeter accuracy. Production accelerates as packaging systems prepare for sealing. From one control center, millions of soap bars move through perfect coordination. Automation drives the packaging line with relentless precision. Each package is sealed within fractions of a second. Heat and timing lock every package into its final form. Robotics organize production faster than human hands ever could. Packaging infrastructure forms continuously around the production flow. Every carton is filled with identical speed and precision. Traceability systems monitor every shipment leaving the factory. The final identity of the product takes shape on the line. Millions of finished bars emerge with perfect consistency. Every finished bar undergoes another layer of verification. Packaging strength protects the product through global transport. Moisture levels are carefully controlled for long shelf life. Structural consistency ensures durability in every bar. The signature scent must remain identical across every batch. Advanced imaging systems detect flaws invisible to the human eye. Transport durability is tested before shipment approval.
Defect rate is within tolerance.
Approving batch. Only approved batches continue toward final dispatch. The finished products are now prepared for global distribution. Production transitions into large-scale logistics and storage. Scientific testing protects the consistency of every production batch. Precise chemical balance defines the quality of Lux soap. Balanced formulas ensure comfort and safety for consumers. Strict hygiene standards govern every stage of production. Products are tested to withstand demanding storage conditions. Packaging must survive the realities of global shipping.
Documentation confirms every batch is ready for release.
Reference samples preserve a record of every production cycle. After inspection, the finished products are cleared for distribution.
Alex, no, it's there, clear.
The final stage begins as products leave the factory floor. Millions of soap bars are prepared for worldwide delivery. Protective wrapping secures every shipment for transport. The finished products wait in carefully managed storage systems.
And this is how modern factories produce Lux soap from start to finish.
From coconuts to millions of soap bars, industrial precision powers every stage. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.